This Engineering is Elementary digital how-to will demonstrate the creation and use of the wheel and axle station from the unit Marvelous Machines, Making Work Easier. The chapters in this video show how to prepare, use, and package the wheel and axle station. To construct one wheel and axle station for your classroom, you will need one set of common materials, one spring scale measuring 10 newtons, and one load that weighs approximately 1 to 2 pounds, such as a filled half-liter water bottle. You will also need the following materials specific to the cart with no wheels: one shoebox or cardboard box top, 2 to 3 feet of string or mason line, a pen, scissors, utility knife, or other sharp tool for creating holes, one marker, and a ruler. First, make a mark near the center of a short side of the shoebox or box top. Using a sharp tool, poke a hole through the box at the marked location. Cut a piece of string or mason line about 2 feet long. Push one end of the string through the hole in the shoebox. Tie the string onto the shoebox using several knots. Then, tie and knot a loop at the other end of the string. Attach the hook of the spring scale onto the loop of the string. This completes the cart with no wheels. To prepare the cart with wheels, you will need the following additional materials: an additional shoebox or cardboard box top, 2 dowels that are a 1/4 inch in diameter and slightly longer than the width of the shoebox or cardboard box top, 4 CDs, 4 CD adapters, 2 to 3 feet of string or mason line, 1 marker, a pen, scissors, utility knife, or other sharp tool for creating holes, a ruler, and optionally, sandpaper. First, push a CD adapter into the center of one CD to create one wheel. Try to insert this wheel onto both ends of the 2 dowels. Use sandpaper to sand down either end of both the dowels if needed. The CD with adapter should fit snugly on the dowels. Next, you will create the holes for the axles and wheels on the long sides of the shoebox or box top. We recommend placing the wheels far apart and above the bottom of the box, so the wheels and axles will turn freely. The first wheel will be used to position the first axle. Place the wheel on one long side of the shoebox. Move the wheel so it is about 1 inch from the edge of the shoebox. Mark the center of the wheel through the CD adapter using your marker. Use a straight edge, such as the ruler, to make another mark at the other end of the shoebox that is level with the first mark. Try to make this second mark about 1 inch from the edge of the shoebox. Poke a hole through the shoebox at both marks and slide the dowels into the holes. Adjust the dowels so they are parallel to one another and parallel to the short sides of the box. Once they are adjusted, push the dowels across the shoebox until they hit the other side. Mark the spots where the dowels hit the other long side of the box. Poke holes through these marks and slide the dowels through the second set of holes. Center the lengths of the dowels with the box so the wheels will be symmetrical. Push the remaining CD adapters into the remaining CDs to create the other 3 wheels. Attach the wheels to the axles. To finish the cart with wheels, make a mark near the center of a short side of the shoebox or box top. Using a sharp tool, poke a hole through the box at the marked location. Cut a piece of string or mason line about 2 feet long. Push one end of the string through the hole in the shoebox. Tie the string onto the shoebox using several knots. Then, tie and knot a loop at the other end of the string. Attach the hook of the spring scale onto the loop of the string. This completes the cart with wheels. Instead of creating a cart with wheels, you can use any small wagon or toy car, such as a dump truck. Make sure that your wagon or toy car can hold the load and has a place to tie a string to attach the spring scale. Both the cart with wheels and the cart with no wheels will be tested at the wheel and axle station. To complete the preparation of the wheel and axle station, place one piece of masking tape on the floor or surface where the carts will be tested. Measure a 6-inch distance and mark with another piece of masking tape. Make sure that both lines are on the same type of surface. For example, both lines should be on a bare floor or a carpeted floor. The testing procedure for each cart is the same. This video will demonstrate how to use the cart with wheels and measure the force on the spring scale. Begin by placing the water bottle load inside the cart with wheels. Put the front edge of the cart along one of the masking tape lines. Move the cart from one line across the next line by pulling on the ring of the spring scale. Pull on the ring smoothly while supporting the rest of the spring scale. Observe and measure the force on the spring scale while the cart is moving. The force should be fairly constant. To package and store the wheel and axle station, we recommend keeping all the parts used for the station together. The procedure for packaging both the carts is similar. This video will demonstrate how to store the cart with wheels. First, remove the spring scale and water bottle load from the cart with wheels. Plan to store the water bottle with all the other loads. Remove the wheels from the axles. Remove the axles from the cart with wheels. If they fit, place the wheels and axles inside the cart. If they do not fit, gather the cart materials and spring scale and place them inside a box or bag. We recommend labeling the box or bag cart with wheels. Repeat the same steps to store the cart with no wheels in a separate labeled box or bag. We recommend storing the water bottles for all the stations together and separate from any simple machine materials. This will make it easier to set up in the future and prevent any materials from getting wet. This completes the packaging of the wheel and axle station.